Dhaka International University.
I graduated from North South University in computer engineering. Then I worked for 5 software firms for 5 years. Then I came to Bangladesh Police, and for the last 2.5 years I'm working in this division, and now I'm in charge of the digital forensic lab that is established in our counter-terrorism unit. It's a great pleasure for me to stand before you guys because in established countries like USA, Canada, there is a practice that police prosecutors are working in the same bench. This is the place where we can start and can give you some flavor that in fact we can initiate this fashion, in fact we can initiate this process to make sure the judgment for the cyber crimes and the cases that we are facing every day. And the good part is I'm a son of a justice. I'm son of Justice Abu Ahmed Jamadar. Is working in International Crimes Tribunal. My younger brother is also a police officer, and my relatives are also very related to the legal systems, like they are also advocates. My grandfather was also an advocate, so it feels like me that I'm talking with my own people. So I'm expecting you guys that whatever I am explaining to you, it's totally based on my work experience. It's not like an expert talks, but I'm very delighted. I'll be very delighted if you can interrupt me anytime when my presentation is going on. So all the things are related to my work and how the things are growing in Bangladesh Police. I'd like to try to explain you briefly. These are the agendas that I'll be talking with, like what's the current statistics, what's the legal protections that we currently have, and also the digital forensic capabilities that's built in our jurisdiction, and also challenges to counter cybercrime, and what are the common cyber threats and trends in Bangladesh. I'll be talking, and also the next generation investigation, what are our targets, and also the chain of custody form that we police maintain to produce any evidence into the court system and for the admissibility of those evidences, and also resources of cyber police, what are the things that we cyber police are trying to work on, and also some testimony regarding the evidences. What is the terrorism threat in Bangladesh? I'll try to show you some SWOT analysis kind of, and the main challenges, what need to be overcome, and what are the changes that we can make for our whole system, the police, prosecutors, judges, what are the changes that we can make so that everything can be run in a smooth way like other cases. In the recent years, what happened? The digital crimes are increasing every day, and as our police are not also that much capable, and our prosecutors are not that much experienced, I have to say. So these cases are sometimes go beyond our control. So I'll try to figure out all the changes that we can make, and also the challenges we can focus. And also some training needs. It's not like we only the police people get trained and give everything to the court system. We also need the prosecutors and judges very much trained, as long they are not capable of receiving the evidences that we procure from our end. There is no hope for a case. So those are the things. What are the trainings we all people, the prosecutor, judges, and police need to take in near future? I will try to explain those. Can you see the screen, please?
Yes.
Am I loud?
Yes.
These are the growing trends of the mobile and internet